Hey, this will be a video chart on RTGV. Been getting quite a few questions on this one, and pulling up the chart looks pretty interesting. Has made a nice move already, so I want to point out some supports and resistances, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on, from the charting perspective. So first, let's just start off with some support levels. The first support that really sticks out to me is this level from over here. Actually, I'm going to make it that level since it'll have a little bit more history, but you can see that. First, let's just get this changed to green for support. But if we go back through the history of the chart, you can see that here it acted as resistance, resistance a couple times here, although the price didn't hit it at those spots close enough. Here acted as resistance, and then even acted as resistance right there and here. So this level, needless to say, has quite a bit of history with the chart. And like I said, there's some days that didn't quite hit it, other days that went slightly above it, and some days that hit it exactly. So we're just going to call this level right here at 0.0035. So 0.0035 is going to be the first and ideal level of support. Now when I say ideal, all I mean is that if you were to ask me what would be the best level of support to hold to make the chart look the most attractive, I would say this, because if it came down here, bounced around before heading back up, that would be a very strong consolidation period. Now the other level of support that the price has is down here at 0.003. Again, if you look here, acted as resistance, although the price didn't quite hit it there. Also acted as resistance, and now that the price is above it, this becomes a level of support. So 0.003 is another level, and then the final level is down here at this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average valued at 0.0024. And technically, as long as the price remains above this level here, the chart remains bullish. Now, before you call crazy and say, hey, how could the price drop all the way down here and still be bullish? Well, let's think about this from, now if you're a day trader, I should say, then you're right. Yeah, that wouldn't make much sense. But for the overall chart, if the price did drop down here, hovered around before heading back up, well, this set of lows would be up here, and then the previous set of lows would be down in this area. Obviously, this set of lows is higher than this set, so when we would come to draw the trend line, we would be able to connect these higher lows, and it would give us the ability to draw an uptrend line for the overall chart, that is. So again, if you're a day trader and you're bought up here, of course you don't want to see it drop all the way down here, but technically for the overall chart, as long as the price does remain above this 50-day simple moving average, the overall trend would remain bullish. And then finally, the past couple of days have been a little obviously pulling back here, but if you look at volume has decreased. And as any volume analysis will tell you, that on pullback or sideways days, the less volume the better, and the volume has been decreasing, which is a good sign. So that's the final thing there. But resistance-wise, pretty cut and dry. The past couple of days, the price has bounced right off of 0.0045, so that is the current level of resistance. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is RTGV. Thanks for listening.